Hey family, welcome to the channel.
Let's start eating.
Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
a package.
Yes, we do have a package.
But wait first. We're going to tell you what we got. First,
today we have red pasta. You guys know when you see this on the table, that means Vincent is complaining. So I made red pasta. And we have a side of salad. And then we also have some fish, aka tilapia.
Sumaron.
Well, aka sumaron. Because you know Richie have to have some form of meat.
Meat, that's right.
Even though there's meat in here.
I love my different kind of sumarons.
Okay guys, before we dig in and show you what mail we got, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap. Yeah.
We are back. I know you like first lady outfit today because I love it. You just like it.
Okay.
You can't love it today though.
Well, we have some ranch dressing.
Ranch dressing.
So we got a package from Twinn Green, one of our family member, aka subscribers. But you know it's family member up in here.
We don't do subscribers no more up in here.
Yes.
We do family.
So,
family. How we say family?
We say family. So we opened the package as far as this part because it's kind of hard to open on camera, and we just want something quick to open up, so we're not fighting with it.
What we got first lady?
So we're going to open the actual package on camera.
Got in there.
Wow, I can't.
We got milk. We feeling important now.
How I did that? You must have known I did that.
We feeling important right now.
Okay, so this is from Twinn Green once again, and ooh, we got a lot of stuff, honey.
Let me see what.
Ooh.
What? Let me find out.
Okay.
I'm loving it so far. I don't like it. I love it.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ching.
Watch out. Okay.
Oh.
We got a next one.
Look at that, honey.
Man, we got a lot.
It comes with a straw.
Is that straw that with chapstick in them?
No, chapstick is
Twinn Green.
Chapsticks is in there, honey. Oh, snap.
Well, I know I gotta get my chapstick game.
And a knife.
We got a lot.
Wow.
Chapsticks, family.
Look at that.
No, and you're not getting it.
And look, this is to clean up the straw.
Yeah. Oh,
yes.
wow. A straw.
Wow.
A knife.
Get out of here.
And then a
This
fork.
is nice.
Appreciate you, Twinn Green. You know what it is already.
Oh my gosh, this is
Appreciate
really nice.
that. I like that. Damn.
I love it.
This
it's
one?
like, yeah.
Twinn Green, I don't know when you're gonna see this one on camera because you what? This for breakfast.
I'm using it.
I'm using it. This is nice. And look at the neat little package.
That's what I'm saying. That is really nice.
That.
Thank you so much.
I like that, Twinn Green. I appreciate that.
And then
put that to the side right there. What else we got over there, first lady?
We have this.
What's that?
Open this, baby love. And then
let's see what's in here.
This says, yo, I love when we get gifts in a.
I love if you're free.
Yo,
don't worry. Our P.O box it's in below. Don't worry.
Don't feel jealous.
Don't feel jealous. You can do the same.
Yes, send us stuff.
Okay.
Honey. Beard gang. Pastor Richie.
That's right.
Word of wisdom.
Word of wisdom. Oh, that's so neat. No.
Can you guys see that? Look at that.
Appreciate that. That's nice. The beard gang, Pastor Rich in the building.
That is nice.
Big facts, you know. All right.
I wonder what this is.
What's this now, first lady? Talk to me.
Maybe it's
we got a lot.
Mask.
Is it? Well, let me see what this.
Maybe Twinn Green.
What's this, Twinn Green?
Trying to tell you to be quiet.
What you gonna say? We gonna see what it is. What's that?
Wait a minute. What is it? Is it for your beard?
Is it? Oh, don't let me find out. That's for the beard, son.
It's probably for the beard, homie.
Nah. Don't do that. Let me see what it is.
Hold up. It can't. Maybe it's for the beard? Because that's why he put bearded gang. Yes. It's for the beard.
So you put this in the ear.
Yes.
So I put it on my ears. Hold on, family. Let me check it out. Put it on my ears, so. First, let me out.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
this
man.
is uh-oh. Yo, when y'all yum the seafood with
Yo, what man? Yo, when I beat up on seafood, man. Bop. Check it out. I joined gangsta. Oh, let me find out. Yo, Twinn Green, you came back crunch time, my dog.
Yo, he got tired. You wipe
Yeah,
your beard.
right my beard. Okay. Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5. 6. Respect. Always.
Big up yourself.
Big up yourself, Twinn Green. This was nice.
Oh, and then we have a gift card.
Hey, my many people in Tifa with the number I catch today. Yeah, yo. You see, first lady I was giving the people in the Tifa market. We got a gift card.
My bad.
And then they first lady one. By the time we go use it in the first lady, it gone, you know.
Gone.
Yeah. We got a nice gift card. Appreciate that, Twinn Green. You see what I'm talking about, first lady? You see what I'm talking about? I'm keeping this beard thing on right now. Hold on. Chill.
You gotta put this back in there because we got a letter. I wanna read
Put
it.
everything back in here. I'm keeping my beard thing on. What you mean? Shit, that shit clean, son. Twinn Green, that joint popping, B.
This is mine.
It's yours? Okay.
Everything is amazing.
Amazing. Spectacular.
So we have a letter, and we're gonna read the letter, and then we're gonna dig in because we are hungry, but we wanted to make sure that we put it in the beginning.
Check out the beard things. You bop.
So whenever you guys send us stuff, we're gonna start doing it in the beginning if we can, because sometimes you know, so we're hungry.
Yes, ma'am.
So the letter says, "Blessing family.
Yes.
I haven't seen such quality work in a long time. Definitely keep it up. Thank you for bringing your best to work every single day. You are a pleasure to watch." Because we are at work.
Thank you. We at work. You're right. You're right about that.
The Greedy family is fortunate to have a hardworking couple like you. I, for one, am very proud of you both. The black love you display for each other and for your family is an example for all of us to follow.
Wow.
Your enthusiasm you bring to the camera makes my entire day move so much faster while at work. The way you truly enjoy cooking and sharing with us is very unique. You created an environment that is so friendly and inviting, and it does feel like an actual family.
Wow. Appreciate that.
Continue to give the world the best you have, and the best will come back to you, Twinn.
Big up yourself, Twinn Green. You already know we appreciate everything. Thank you so much.
Wow.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Wow. We can't say nothing else but wow.
I know. Wow.
Wow.
That was spectacular.
We appreciate it.
Yeah. You chat too much sometimes. It's a metal you chat too much. You see that?
Oh, follow me.
Yeah, follow me. Twinn Green, let me see right now. What does this do? Right now? Alright. I can't wait to eat some seafood. Don't worry. When we come to NY, we got a link. Appreciate you, big boss. Damn.
This is good.
That was sweet.
Oh, very nice.
Wow.
Very, very nice.
Yo, family, we have that there. Listen, she said she didn't want none of my fish, but why I'm frying fish for her? Now look at her. It's all good. Take some. Mine is yours.
I know.
Tastes good, right?
Really good.
Oh, you haven't given them none.
We gotta make a fish sandwich.
Yeah, you ain't getting none of the pasta? Damn. You know what this? That's cod.
Oh, I like that one. Oh, that's what they use to make our fish sandwich.
Give them some. Give them some. Hold on. Give them some.
You give them some meat?
Just a little bit. They don't eat meat. Some of them don't eat meat. You can't get them meat. They don't eat meat. There you go. Take some. First lady. Good work. I can't wait to try the seafood. I can't wait to eat this with the seafood. Beard gang in the building.
Especially when you know there's something that you're gonna eat that's very messy.
I'm putting that on, son.
It's perfect for it.
Damn. That was really sweet. Appreciate that. I ain't gonna lie. I feel some type of way right now. I love it. It's the thought that counts, you know what I'm saying?
And have this piece.
You take it.
Because here's the thing. It's not. It's the fact that
Yeah.
he knew exactly like what each. You know what I mean? That was very thoughtful.
Very thoughtful. Appreciate you again.
Hell,
Appreciate you rocking with your family, you know?
can't wait for you use my knife, you know, and my straw.
Yeah.
That's how I wash it out.
It's drawing nice too. I ain't touch it then.
You know I love straws.
So how was your day, family? It's fine now. Y'all seen the gift? We got mail. Feel like somebody don't know? God damn.
I feel important.
I feel important for real. I feel important. Wow. People recognize us. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's a real love right here. Real love.
Real love.
Where the sauce? Where the thing? Put some
You have it.
No man, I don't have it.
No, I don't. I don't have it, honey.
You have it.
No, you have it.
Wait there. You say you never want none of the fish, you know? And when I fry the fish, you still teeth for a piece like this one.
It was the kids.
Family. When I came home, I said I'm gonna fry the fish. No, I don't want none. And I only fried 2 pieces, you know? 2 little piece.
It's your fault.
And then,
You shouldn't listen to me.
oh yeah. The fish from Key West is coming.
Oh, I can't wait for that. That's gonna be so good.
Yeah.
Which one you gonna fry? Because we had a lot.
Snapper dapper. No, we love the snapper them.
Schoolmaster?
Any one of them go that pot. Yeah.
How do you want us to make the fish? Do you want us to fry it? Steam it? Roast it?
For real, that's a good question.
Let us know.
Your choice. Whatever you want.
Majority wins.
Brown stew.
Yeah, man, it's about that.
Escovy. Whatever you want it, let us know, because it's coming. Alright? It's on y'all. Yep. Wow.
Oh my goodness, this is so good.
Nice, huh? Delicious, huh? Delicious as always, you know?
Yeah, Vincent was like, yeah, it's about that time. I was like, all right. Here I go.
Request his meal. Oh, my napkin, are you good? Yep. Wow.
Thank you.
So what y'all been up to, man? They're tired of hearing us talk. What y'all been up to?
Speak for yourself.
They tired of hear chat too much, then I hear chat, man.
No, they love when I talk.
Yeah? Some of y'all still working from home? It's the same, working from home. You're still getting a paycheck. You know what I'm saying?
I can't believe Christmas is next week.
I know. Our daughter's birthday is Thursday, family.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, gosh. Big 14 now. Yep. Ready to go spend all our mother money.
My daughter.
We're doing a vlog. We're vlogging Thursday. To where we going? I know.
Are we going Thursday or are we going Friday?
When you want to go? Friday? Oh, Friday you want to go? Alright.
Because her birthday's so close to Christmas, she takes advantage. But it's okay. We're her parents. We're supposed to spoil her.
Spoil her.
You don't believe so?
You spoil her? I mean.
Her father should spoil her also. Because then when she gets older, she'll be like, what? Fancy restaurant? My dad already took me there.
She already know that.
Oh, you're beautiful? My dad already told me I'm beautiful every day.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay?
Okay? Period.
So she's not out there all excited when a man tells her how pretty she is. She's like, I know. My daddy told me my whole life.
That dad gave me all of that already.
Mm-hmm.
What you mean?
Exactly.
But your young boys, you gotta come harder. You know what I'm saying?
So question. How are you gonna handle it when Timmy starts dating?
When she's 30?
Like 17, 18. How you gonna handle it?
I'm the Uber driver.
You're an Uber driver?
I'm in everywhere. I'm in a backpack. I'm in everything. I'm in the back of the class. I'm everywhere.
Oh Lord. But you know, Timmy have a very strong personality. My son, he's more calm, relaxed, chill. He don't really let too much stuff bother him. But Tamia,
She have a mouth like you, man.
oh, she got a mouth. She be like, what?
I didn't even think you gave me a lot of pasta today.
I thought I did.
Salad nice though, man. You want to tell the people
Salad is good, right?
leftover salad they gave me? Eh? She didn't tell you today she gave me leftover salad, huh?
No, it wasn't left over.
What was it?
It's the same salad that I made fresh. Leftover is I made it the night before and it stayed there.
Leftover salad she gave me. She didn't tell you that one though, right? But she loved to tell everything. I tell them. What's your secret? But the salad nice though still.
You ain't busting my secret.
Leftover not bad though. You got some more forks now.
I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it and abuse it.
I'm gonna use it till I get a knife. I can't wait. We have seafood to rock with you. Wow, you know what? This could be way to work. I with my mask.
Yeah.
You came with that crunch time, man. That's what's up, big boss. You came with that crunch time. This gonna wear at work with my mask over right now. Can I wear my mask at work?
Oh yeah.
My hair, it's covered. Good come up, that's a come up right there. Anybody asking where you got it from, Richie? Go get a YouTube page. You wanna find out? They know in the links, Twinn Green. It's our links.
I didn't even know that they make that.
I didn't even know neither. I just know today.
I mean, I be seeing people in the like Publix in the deli section, but it's a mesh.
I know you came up on something big right now, Twinn. How much time where I set this up? Oh wow. I almost forgot. The word of the day. First, I the food nice. I say, "Someone here to pass the car. Look like a pass give me now."
What? Word of wisdom.
Word of wisdom. Ready, family? Ready, first lady? Don't be too confident when someone tells you they like you. The real question is, until when? Because just like season, people change.
So, hold up. Oh, you're true fire.
You me a throw fire pan, yeah? Bad mind the thing, man. You me a throw fire pan.
You could not.
Alright.
You better cut it out.
Again. Alright.
You want to take my food?
Take your food? Don't do that if I won't like that. Family.
Don't play with me.
You see? She trying to take my food. Family, listen to this. Again.
Cause I don't know who you throwing shots at.
Hold on first. Let me tell the family again. Don't be too confident when someone tells you they like you. The real question is until when? Because just like season, people change. That me I tell you. Yeah, I'm Hollywood now. I changed, son.
You better
I
change.
changed. I'm Hollywood, B.
And I hope it's for the good. Yeah, yeah, box and thump up and kick up.
Every day I say you're gonna beat me up and people say don't say that. I know you like that one. That one's a good one.
Good.
Real good. Grace. It's done. I got a big bottle, don't worry about it. Nice, man. Pasta sweet, you know?
Pasta's good.
Pasta sweet, man. I like pasta sweet, you're free. And none of you ever tried the red pasta yet. I didn't do it. I want you to try it.
Miss Gina tried it.
I mean, Gina, try it? You tried it already, Miss Gina?
She made it.
Okay. Alright, Aaron. My bad, I take it back.
Even though we don't have no proof, Miss Gina.
I know, Miss Gina. Let me see the picture. Hit Instagram. Alright? But the recipe's there for anybody.
Recipe's there.
For anybody that want to try
And
it.
it's very easy.
Very easy.
Like I said, whenever you still eating this, it's because Vincent has spoken. So,
I like when it's pork. Hey, pasta nice.
pasta's good. And I love the salad.
I love the salad. I love it.
The
The
peppers.
sausage nice.
And the salad
Sausage. Nice.
on the pasta. But why you want more meat and you have sausage and chicken?
Don't ask me what I want. Give me what I want.
What? Wow. Wait a minute, wait.
I'm feeling myself. I got me up.
Twinn Green sent you something. Are you acting
I'm
up?
feeling myself, dog. I'm Hollywood right now. Man.
I'm telling you. Don't be letting the camera fool you.
I'm Hollywood right now. I feel some type of way. I got packaged. You feel some type of way. I love it.
Oh my gosh. I can only imagine. He's gonna be talking about that all night.
Ain't nothing could go on my beard now. Anything go on my beard again is probably anything go on my beard again. If I have this on, I'm cutting it off. Beard gang, bro. This was delicious right there.
Hey,
As always.
I'm not gonna lie.
No.
It was good. I'm full now.
Full. Oh, grab that for me for
Excuse me.
birthday. Get up, let me see a fatigue.
I'm not gonna
Get up, let me see a fatigue in my girl.
No, I'm not get that. What do you want? This?
Yeah, how long I camped out for?
Ugh.
You can't pick up? I can't. I'm not about no parties, we can't. Let go.
You know I have bad wrists.
Family, look. Oh, shit. You sorry for birthday. Ooh.
It's okay.
Y'all can see? I got it. 8 hours. I slept, camped out. Oh, God.
By himself.
I camped out. First they left me to hang out. I camped out 8 hours in the freezing cold like this. But it was worth it.
I couldn't do it.
I finally got that P5.
I had to take Tamia to the bus.
Don't forget to like, comment, we share with y'all, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. They are First Lady.
The Greedy family. Ooh. Thank you once again, Twinn Green, for sending us an amazing package. We
Real
appreciate
talk.
it.
Appreciate you.
And we also appreciate like mother, like daughter.
Yes.
CC, she sent us a package
Yeah.
before also, and we appreciate everything, guys. So thank you so much. And, ooh, excuse me. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Yo,
we got mail.
We got mail. Yo, then dead no.